Your Crypto.com Ethereum ETH wallet address is a unique alphanumeric code, like 0x1234, that allows you to receive ETH deposits on the Crypto.com platform. It's essentially your account number for ETH. You'll need this address to transfer ETH from another wallet or exchange to your Crypto.com account. Finding it is simple, and this section will show you how. Let's walk through the steps to locate your Ethereum wallet address on Crypto.com. First, open the Crypto.com app on your mobile device or visit the website on your computer. Next, go to your Accounts section in the app or website. This is where you'll access your crypto wallet options. Then, select Crypto Wallet from the available options in your Accounts section. This will show your cryptocurrency holdings. From your crypto wallet, choose ETH from the list of available cryptocurrencies. This focuses on your Ethereum holdings. Once you've selected ETH, tap the Deposit option. This will prepare the interface for receiving Ethereum. Your unique Ethereum wallet address will now appear on the screen. This is a long string of characters starting with 0x. Tap the Copy button to copy your ETH address to your device's clipboard. You can now paste it where needed. Finally, always double-check the complete address after copying. Even a small mistake can result in lost funds. Selecting the right network is a critical step when depositing ETH on Crypto.com. Choosing incorrectly can lead to permanent loss of funds. Always verify that the sending wallet's network matches the one selected on Crypto.com's deposit screen. For example, Ethereum mainnet ETH should not be sent to a Polygon address. A common error is sending ETH to the wrong network. Always double-check the network before confirming the transaction. In 2025, network mismatches were responsible for 70% of losses related to ETH deposits on centralized platforms. If you encounter issues, Crypto.com's mobile app, version 8.2 as of October 2025, has an AI-powered wallet recovery tool that can help in some situations. Ethereum's adoption is surging, with ETH deposits on exchanges increasing 35% quarterly due to DeFi and NFT booms. Layer 2 solutions are becoming increasingly popular, reducing mainnet congestion by 60% in 2025. The upcoming Denkin upgrade, expected mid-2026, may slash fees by 90% via proto-danksharding, improving scalability. Current average gas fees are around 100 GWE, but this could drop significantly. Crypto.com plans to integrate AI-driven network auto-selection for deposits by 2026, simplifying the user experience and reducing errors. Stay informed about these developments to optimize your ETH deposits and avoid losses.